All right, what's up? This is your market recap for September 16th, 2025. As you can see today, we played slightly bearish. We had a big overnight expansion. Well, I guess maybe big isn't the right word. We had an overnight expansion upwards, and then pre-market and late London session um, took us off of that high, and we closed pretty small on the day. If we go down to the hourly time frame, you can see that more so happened. We opened, where did we open? Here. We opened here on Monday, so that's a daily candle. We see this big expansion up through London session, sorry, through Asian session. Jeez, talking's a little hard today. And then London continued it, London, and also reversed there. Got to pre-market, we started to accelerate the decline here. Market opened, ran down, and kind of went horizontal from there. So once we got down, there really wasn't much. It seems like this low down here was our target because we didn't really, other than this, but on the lower time frame, I don't know what that looks like. Other than this low, nothing on the higher time frame seems to be the cause of this just pause. Yeah, it wasn't even a low. It was just a candle. Yeah. So again, Asian session expanded after market opened. The new daily candle opened, I should say, and then London reversed. Pre-market accelerated it down. We blew past this 4-hour fair value gap and then went horizontal. I mean, it's going to be a very quick one because that's just really all that happened. I'm going to start focusing more on New York session. Here we have accumulation here. So what I personally was looking for, some sort of manipulation. In this case, it was downwards since at the time, this 4-hour fair value gap was just a fair value gap, not an inverse. So I was planning on playing this bullish, manipulating below this low, maybe looking for an S&T of that low. But we didn't end up getting that. We ended up continuing to go lower. And then you can see by the wicks here and just by price action itself, we didn't really go anywhere and we didn't do much. So 1 minute time frame, same thing, accumulation here, not really any manipulation to the upside. I don't even think there was an SMT of these highs taking us down. First presentation for value gap here took us down to this low. During the macro, we had many SMTs, so I personally took this trade today. These lows here, relative equal lows, we barely swept them with this candle. We had an SMT on the lower time frame there, so I entered at this expansion here. Where exactly I do not recall, but price took a while to do anything. Got another SMT, and we ran up, hitting my break even. So I think I got stopped at like $100 loss. My break even was technically like up here, but I wanted to put my stop at least at constant encroachment of this, which caused me to lose a little bit. But considering how much I was risking, that wasn't a whole lot. Now, of course, during this time, ES was still trickling downwards. I mean, this just simply is not price action I want to be in. I was hoping once we got this expansion upwards that we would continue it, right? Once we closed this candle up here above this high here, I was hoping that would lead us to play that expansion upwards, but obviously, as you can see, that did not happen because we just went horizontal the rest of the day. I checked up on price every now and then throughout the day, and I just saw nothing. I mean, just straight horizontal play. Guess we're really waiting for FOMC tomorrow, which means since Monday and Tuesday have been so quiet, FOMC tomorrow is going to be a mess, which most likely means AM session will be no trading. I am actually going to go into the day planning on not trading because of such. Now, going into the future, like I mentioned, FOMC tomorrow could shake up everything. We let's see, on the hourly time frame, we still are bullish, or sorry, bearish. Switch to bearish. 4 hour, we're bullish. Daily, I could see us come dip into this daily tomorrow. So play a little more bearish. Maybe fill this balance. Where is equilibrium of this? Yeah, come touch equilibrium. Stick a hand in this. That might happen overnight, and FOMC might take us upwards. All I know is daily, we're still bullish. But daily in the 4 hour bullish, hourly we are now bearish with the closure below this low over here. I mean, yeah, these markets are a little rough. So not really much we can do. Kind of just glad today that I got out of break even considering the conditions and nothing more was taken. So yeah, just kind of gotta wait and see. Hopefully, really hopefully it's funny because like in August we were like, oh, September price action, please come. And now we're in September price action and it's not very good either. So I don't know what it is. Maybe since we just got into a new contract, a new quarterly contract. So hopefully this contract treats us a little better. So it's been your market recap for September 16th, 2025.